Hey guys, it's Liam from Transit Lambo TV, and welcome back to another TransitLamboTV.com video. Just for you, and just for you. This is my Riley, bro. Oh! Today we've got pies. A big pastry pie. Hey bro, knock knock. Who's there? Apple. Apple who? Apple in your face. Oh! Dude, this is fucking fun.
Just don't forget you've got your
I need some tomato sauce.
all done, please.
Wait.
Barbecue there.
Yeah. In trial for nothing. Of course, bro. Nothing. Hey. No, I need that barbecue sauce. Put it. Yeah, bro. No, wait. Oh, you're a twat.
Wait, did you have all 5?
We're Riley, bro.
You're
bro. You?
Didn't you give it to him? Oh, yeah.
Hold up.
He's making a video, Stephanie.
Never mind.
Steph, I'll top it up to you now. You're too late. It's fucking hot.
3, 4, 5, 6.
It's free now. So take it. You're welcome, Stephanie. Caleb. Ow. Caleb. By the way, you're on the camera.
About 7 minutes to go.
These bloody good pies, mate. Yeah. Oh, Riley, bro.
Is this for your YouTube?
Yep. Oh.
Give them a rating out of 10?
10. Delicious.
Mate, I'm
Any
going
more
for an
pies?
11. I'm going for an 11.
They're just coming out of the oven now.
The rating.
They're not
Come be in it.
You said.
How long are your videos meant to go for?
Anytime. Anytime.
Shout out to Zoe Reynolds for fucking lucky shot I think.
Oh. Riley, bro.
Dude, that's like, he has like 2,000 viewers. You're dead.
Riley, bro.
Yeah, bro.
And we'll go knock knock.
Who's there?
Pie.
By who?
Pie and D's nuts. Oh. Right. Go, guys. Hopefully I'll see you later. So, peace. Oh.